Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be doing a room tour of our new living room, and beware, it is very messy because we just moved all of the stuff in. We haven't even gotten any time to arrange it yet, so I'm just gonna let you guys take in all of the mess right now. So just take all of that in, and now we're gonna do a quick tour of the things that we have, as much as I can, as quickly as I can, but it's going to be very quick since there are so many items. I'm just going to quickly go over it. So here we have the wall-mounted electric fans from our old house, some cabinets, some nets, and then there's a gasoline tank, and these are the couch cushions, and then that's the air conditioner mount, and then this is just a cabinet that we are going to use for our shoes. So we're going to move that outside after we have our shoes prepared. And then over here we have our four file safes, file drawers, to keep some of the files and some important documents inside, such as passport, IDs, etc. And then these two are two of my childhood puzzles, one of entire Taiwan and one of the entire world. But there are no space left, and I already played it like, I'm pretty sure over 20 times in total, so it's about time we discarded of it. And then this was a desk of mine, a desk of ours at the old house, and since now we all have our own desks, this one is gonna get sold. And then we have some printing paper here and some water. Cheers. Okay, I needed that water really badly. And then, oh yeah, over here we have my mom's like pins and decorations, cosmetics for the hair, and she actually made like half of these or more by herself, and the rest are store-bought. So personally, I think it's pretty hard to tell which one are handmade and which one are not. And actually, fun fact, it was a dream of hers, it was a hobby of hers to be a designer and to design clothing and some decorations as well. So she's pretty good at that criteria. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I will have her answer them for you. And also, we have something fun right here that we found at my grandparents' home. These are like antique shampoo. They're actually not liquid, they're powdered. So this was like way back. It was 76. It was in the year 76. So if you plus that by 1911, that would be 1987. So these shampoo powder packets were made in 1987, which is a pretty long time ago. So they are pretty antique, pretty vintage. Pretty looking. I'm looking forward to see how the effect is after we wash our hair with it. I'm not sure if it's just gonna erode our hair away. I mean, that's gonna be pretty cool. I think if it's not permanent. If it's permanent, then that's gonna be a problem. And over here we have our bunch of drawers, cabinets, shelves, etc. And then we have some camping gear here and sleeping bags that we bought a while ago, and we went actually camping with our family, and we have quite a big family, 19 cousins, so that is pretty crazy. And then over there is our washing machine. It's in an awkward position. I'm not sure why, but they designed it like that. The water source is actually right there, so it's kind of weird, but it works. There's still a path for us to go to the bathroom, so as long as I can go to the bathroom easily, I'll be happy with that. And then over here we have some of the cooking culinary items, and then our library bag where we always go to borrow our books, and then this trash can that we have not found a place for it yet, and also a lot of different scattered items that you really don't know what are in them, and then the microwave, oven, and crock pots for cooking. And then there are stoves right back there, but we are yet to clean them up. So actually the living room and the kitchen are actually interlinked. They're connected. And then up there, if you guys can see, there is a railing if you want to have a curtain in the middle to block the two of those. and then it can become sort of like two different rooms. And over here we have our shoes right here, and also some clothing that we have not found places for yet, and then ice cube trays that we didn't put in the refrigerator yet, some stationery items. Basically anything we didn't find a place for is here, and then we're gonna arrange these items in the one to 2 months to come. And after moving all of the stuff here, it's more of a relaxed time. You can take however much time you want, since this is already our current house, so there is no rush, but we will still try to do it as fast as we can, because you know it's still pretty hard to find the things you want to find in such a place like this. So that is the basic tour of our living room and kitchen. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, like below, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. I will update you guys tomorrow with the next room. I'll see you guys next time.